This book is the very best book, in my opinion. But it is really good. So it's Grow Food for Free by Hugh Richards. He has his YouTube channel, Super Good Q, my favorite gardening YouTube channel. So, that's that area, but then it's like gardening, tools to share, borrow. Like, that's the cool thing. It is really Grow Food for Free. So it's really growing your own food for free. You can do all that, and it's like use somebody else's garden. It's really on the extreme stuff, which is great. I mean, I kind of like it. It's really awesome. It's really good book. There's just so much. Jump ahead, a lot ahead. Oh, this crop rotation. But then it says, like, oh, make an investment. You can't go that far. So, where to expand, or when to expand your growing area. Oh yeah, and then at the last part, it's basically the journal of growing food. Strawberries, like, they're awesome. And then there's this, blackberries and other stuff. And then just a lot more. Really great book. Actually, I first got it from the library because I wanted to see what it was like. And then I liked it so much that I decided I wanted it for Christmas, and I got it. So that's the book from that. It does all kinds of stuff. Really good. Like, this looks like propagation, and then you can use those. Like, tells you how to, like, the containers and stuff. So, if you want to grow your own food for free, get Grow Food for Free. Definitely a really good book.